Hey there, this is Salman Ahmed and you're watching Stalwart. Today I'm going to share the EaseUS Partition Master and also the recovery widget. Yeah, obviously the full version. These two software combinedly help you to recover the data from your accidentally deleted drives, which also includes the BitLocker encrypted one, only if you have the BitLocker keys with you. So now you might wonder why you need a Partition Master if you already got a recovery widget. Then Partition Master is going to help you to optimize your drive and also help you to create a new drive if your drive is been merged into a single drive, because you have to download it into either a USB drive or create another partition to install this software. Please don't install this software into the same drive from where you're going to recover your data. This is really important. So now I'm going to show you how to download the Partition Master and also the recovery widget. But before that, please like, share and subscribe and inspire me to upload some more videos. I got a few subscribers, trust me, and please wait for a while, hang on. So what was on D drive? I got the software already downloaded. Link here. This is the zip file. You're gonna find it on Google Drive link under the video. So let me open first. What you need to do is you need to extract the whole file. Soon after the extract is finished, what you need to do is just open the EaseUS file. So here what you need to do is you need to get to the EaseUS Partition Master Pro 12.5. You're going to find these three folders with three different softwares of EaseUS. This is the bonus software I'm giving you. The EaseUS actually version, this version is 9.0. This is an extra, you don't need it, it's not mandatory. So at first you need to do is you need to download the Partition Master. Over here you need to download this. These are the readme files. The PDF file is quite secured, so I made it a PDF. Other people doesn't do that. So the download has started here. Here, please don't download the software into the same drive from where you are going to recover those files. Like if your C drive is merged and you got only one drive, then you can download it through to pen drive, a USB drive I mean, and then start to recover it. Else create a different partition and then download it over there, and then you're gonna recover the targeted drive. Else most of the people do the same mistake, and what happens is the recovery files are being overwritten by the corrupted ones that has been recovered. Here like I got those recovered files on C drive, so I'm going to locate it on D drive, though I don't need to recover. Now it's already recovered. I'm successful, thank God. And then next, here please don't launch and don't join, and here next and install. So here the download is over. here. So this is the Redmi files. Here I click into the Partition Master just to show you how it looks if the full version is not downloaded. As you could see over here, this is not yet activated. So now what you have to do is just enter the partition, copy the WAC files, copy the WAC files. First over here, then go to bin, and just you need to overwrite these 3 crack files, and then go back, get into the registry files, copy the registry, one of it. If you have 64, then copy 64, and then go to the location where you downloaded ESC partition, and then paste it over here, and then just double click, then yes, proceed. So this 64 drive registration has been added to the registry. So let me check. So I hope you can find the difference. There's nothing to be active, and it's completely recovered, restored. It's done. You can also update. Now this is the important part. If you go for partition recovery, what they will show you, you have to go and download the partition recovery wizard. So let's go back. Over here, Partition Master complete, Partition Recovery Wizard. This is the Partition Recovery Wizard, and then you have to download this. This is the readme files. So here, this is okay. And next, accept. Here, see, to prevent further data loss, please don't install the product on the drive you want to recover data from. See, as I've told you earlier, browse, and then I need to locate the place where I downloaded Partition Master. Here is the Partition Master, and then OK, and then confirm. Partition data recovery wizard, next, and then create a desktop icon. OK, install, then install. It should not launch, no participation, finish. So it's been installed. Now what you need to do is this both of these files, copy, and then to the install location over here. You can see the EaseUS data recovery wizard. Just click over here and then paste, replace, complete that. So So that's the config drive, and then back. Then go for caging, copy. Instruction drive here. Just paste. Caging, then open it. Where to go for operational, generate, copy this, and then to open the file. Here the wizard is open, then active, then test the license over here. Yes, active. So activation succeed. Okay. So here occasion, the activation is done. Exit, yes, and now you just need to delete the caging file because that will later turn out to be a virus. Do delete the caging file. So now, if you really like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and do comment if you do have any queries, or if you really want to inspire me, please do comment, and most importantly, please subscribe. I got very few subscribers. This is not quite inspiring.